close till I get.
Welcome to our channel Competition Grid. Here we are going to discuss current affairs daily. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get further notification. Hi friends, good morning. Now I am going to discuss May 21st, 2020 current affairs. Here is the first question. How many cities has got 5-star rating in star rating of garbage free cities list of 1920 released by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs? That is 6 cities. The Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Hardeep Singh, he is Minister of State and he occupies an independent charge, announced the results of star rating of garbage free cities for the assessment of year 1920, where 6 cities they are Ambikapur, Rajkot, Surat, Mysore, Indore and Navi Mumbai were rated as 5 stars, and 65 cities are rated as 3 stars and 70 cities are rated 1 star out of 141 cities, and also launched the revised protocol of star rating of garbage free cities. Next one. What is the grant that was provided by India to the United Nations Relief and Works Agency to support the Palestine refugees of May 2020? That is 2 million. India provide $2 million to support the United Nations Relief and Work Agency and also to support the Palestinian refugees for its program and services like education and health care in the COVID-19 situation. Okay, next one. The Indian Army has proposed how many years stunts for citizens including youth professionals to join as officers and other ranks in army under tour of duty. That is 3 years. There are many who want to be a personnel in uniform and experience the military life but don't want to take it as a full career in the army. For them, our Indian Army is considered a proposal to allow civilians including young working professionals to join the force for the 3 years as officers in other ranks in areas like logistics and also frontline formulations under the tour of duty or 3-year short service scheme. This is the scheme implemented by our Indian Army. If we talk about Indian Army, Chief of Army Staff is Manoj Mukund Narwane, headquarters located in New Delhi. Next one. Name the Indian state or union territory which has initiated measures under Samagra Shiksha program to facilitate students' access to education through technological interventions recently in May 2020. That is Jammu and Kashmir. The Jammu and Kashmir and it is a union territory administration has initiated a slew of measures under Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, technology interventions and other viable means in wake of COVID-19 lockdown. Next, if you talk about Jammu and Kashmir, capital is Srinagar, that is a summer capital, and Jammu, it is a winter capital. Governor is Girish Chandra Murmu. Next one, Punjab government has promulgated the Punjab Good Conduct Prisoners Temporary Release Amendment Ordinance 2020 recently. Who is the governor of Punjab? He is VP Badnor. Talk about Punjab, capital is Chandigarh, Chief Minister is Captain Amarendra Singh. Already discussed. Governor is Vijayendra Pal Singh Badnor. Next one. Uttar Pradesh government has presented the largest ever budget of rupees 5.12 lakh crore in state assembly recently. Who is CM of UP? He is Yogi Adityanath. Financial Minister Suresh Kumar Khanna presented the UP government is the largest ever budget of rupees 5 lakh 12,860.72 crore for the financial year 20. Capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. CM is Yogi Adityanath. Governor is Anandibin Patel. Next one. Name the country which has approved the new political map which includes India's Lupi Lake, Kalpani and Limipiyadhura under its territory. That is Nepal country. Amidst the border dispute with India, Nepal cabinet has accepted a new political map showing Lupi Lake, Kalpani and Limipiyadhura in its map. If you talk about Nepal, capital is Kathmandu, currency is Nepalese rupee, president is Bidya Devi Bhandari. Next one. What is the amount that was extended by NABARD to cooperative banks and regional rural banks as special liquidity facility recently? That is 20,500 crore rupees. The National Bank for Agriculture Development, that is NABARD, has transformed that it extended 20,500 crore special liquidity facility to cooperative banks. For cooperative banks, it was given 15,200 crores, and for regional bank, that is RRBs, it was given 5,300 crore in various states. This is against the rupees 5,000 crores lent in the first quarters of 2019. Next one. As per US based Goldman Sachs, what is the percentage contract in Indian economy for the financial year 21? That is 5%. American brokerage Gold Sachs expects the Indian economy to contract by 5% in the financial year 21, which will be the deepest compared to all recessions India has ever faced or experienced since 1979. It is against earlier forecast of 0.4% in contraction before revision it down to a level it shares with Japanese brokerage Nomura. Next one. Name the person who has been honored with 2019 Alexander Dalrymple Award for UK. He is Vinay Bandhwar. The National Hydrographer of the Government of India, Vice Admiral Vinay Bandhwar, is honored with 2019 Alexander Dalrymple Award. This award was first presented in 2006 by UK Ministry of Defence. Next one. The National Hydrographer to the Government of India, Vice Admiral Vinay Bandhwar, is honored with 2019 Alexander Graham Medal Award. The award was first presented in 2006 by UK Defence Minister, sponsored UK hydraulic officer named after the first hydrographer of admirability, Alexander Dalrymple. He is D.B. Shikatkar. The government has accepted and implemented 3 important recommendations of the committee experts under the chairmanship of Lieutenant Governor D.B. Shikatkar, retired, relating to border infrastructure so as to speed up road construction which leads to socio-economic development in border areas. Next. Name the multinational company which has acquired Ahmedabad-based artificial intelligence startup Byte Prophecy, that is Accenture company. It is an Irish multinational professional service company has acquired Ahmedabad, that is Gujarat-based artificial intelligence startup Byte Prophecy for an undisclosed sum. If you talk about Accenture, headquarters located in Dublin of Ireland, CEO is Julie Smith. Next one. Which zone of railways has developed the robot Railbot or bot to assist railway doctors? That is South Central Railway. South Central Railway zone developed a robot service Railbot to assist in hospital management functions towards patient care in the wake of COVID-19 outbreak. The robot provide medicines, medical accessories to serve food to patients without any need of physical contact. This will be enable doctor, nurses, and other support medical staffs to stay away from the risk of contacting with patients due to this coronavirus pandemic. If you talk about South Central Railway headquarters located in Rail Nilayam of Secunderabad, General Manager is Ganjanan Malaya. Next one, name the company which has developed India's first service robots named as Sona 1.5 and Sona 0.5 to help healthcare workers. That is Club First. Jaipur-based company Club First has developed India's first service robots named Sona 1.5 and 0.5 to help healthcare workers in conducting a thermal screening of the people amid COVID-19 crisis. The robot, which is 95% made in India, is the first in the world to be based on spine technology. These are the robots 1.5 and 0.5. Next one, name the person who heads the ICC Cricket Committee which has recommended by the ban of using saliva to sign the ball. He is Anil Kumble. If you talk about ICC headquarters located in Dubai of UAE, Chairman is Shashank Manohar, CEO is Manu Swahani. Next one, Ratnakar Matkari, who passed away recently, is a veteran writer in which of the following language? He belongs to Marathi. He is a Marathian writer, actor, playwright, director and producer. He passed away at 81 years in an hospital. He was tested positive to coronavirus. He was born on 17 November 1938 in Mumbai of India. If you talk about Maharashtra, Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari, CM is Uddhav Thackeray, capital is Mumbai. Next one, Sai Gundkar, who passed away recently, is renowned actor. He is a renowned actor. He passed away at the age of 42 due to the brain cancer in United States. He was known for his appearances in shows like Survivor, Splitsville, as well as acting in films like PK and Rock On. Next one, what is the number of species of amphibians that was listed as critically endangered and endangered by Geological Survey of India? That is 20 and 35 number of species. The Geological Survey of India updated the checklist of Indian amphibians. A list of 20 species as critically endangered and 35 species are endangered on its website, complemented by research scientists. If we talk about this Geological Survey of India, director is Dr. Kailash Chandra. Established in 1916, headquarters located in New Alipur of Kolkata. These are some of the endangered amphibians. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Hey guys, please follow me. I am updating static GK also. Please go through them. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.